Ensure the gensim generate the same Word2Vec model for different runs on the same data. In LDA model generates different topics every time I train on the same corpus by setting the np.random.seed 0. The LDA model will always be initialized and trained in exactly the same way. Is it the same for the Word2Vec models from gensim? By setting the random seed to a constant, would the different run on the same dataset produce the same model? But strangely, it's already giving me the same vector at different instances. Is it true then that the default random seed is fixed? If so, what is the default random seed number? Or is it because I'm testing on a small dataset? If it's true that the random seed is fixed and different runs on the same data returns the same vectors, a link to a canonical code or documentation would be much appreciated.
Yes, default random seed is fixed to 1, as described by the author in this URL. Vectors for each word are initialized using a hash of the concatenation of word plus str seed. Hashing function used, however, is Python's rudimentary built-in hash function and can produce different results if two machines differ in 32 versus 64-bit, reference, Python versions, reference, different operating systems/interpreters, reference 1, reference 2. Above list is not exhaustive. Does it cover your question though? Edit. If you want to ensure consistency, you can provide your own hashing function as an argument in Word2Vec. A very simple, and bad, example would be
as per the docs of gensim, for executing a fully deterministically reproducible run, you must also limit the model to a single worker thread, to eliminate ordering jitter from OS thread scheduling. A simple parameter added to your code should do the trick.
Just a remark on the randomness. If one is working with gensim's W2V model and is using Python version equals 3.3, keep in mind that hash randomization is turned on by default. If you're seeking consistency between two executions, make sure to set the Python hash seed environment variable. For example, when running your code like so, Python hash seed equals 123 python3 mycode.py. Next time you generate a model using the same hash seed, it would be the same as previously generated model, provided that all other randomness control steps are followed, as mentioned above, random state and single worker. See gensim's W2V source and Python docs for details.
For a fully deterministically reproducible run, next to defining a seed, you must also limit the model to a single worker thread, workers equals 1, to eliminate ordering jitter from OS thread scheduling. In Python 3, reproducibility between interpreter launches also requires the use of the Python hash seed environment variable to control hash randomization.